Ayiwe-ke bafethu usehlala laphana noMpumi in Mpumi's new apartment. She is very soft and comfortable ke laphana ku-apartment kaMpumi. Baze bamserve ama-breakfast in bed. Yabona bafethu uMpumi umphethe kahle umama wakhe lapha Wendy, but uWendy seems a bit more guilty yabona regarding her move and her decision to move in with uMpumi because she was easily convinced. uMpumi umconvincile uWendy to a point where uWendy even folded to move in with uMpumi, guys. So uMpumi is making these promises bazophila kamnandi, uzomphatha kahle umama wakhe. Where they were living, kaWendy is very toxic compared to the new apartment. Bear in mind, all I knew is ukuthi le apartment kaMaruna, and then Gabriel had to pass his apartment to uMpumi. That's what I actually knew. We understand. And Maruna tried to warn uMpumi with they are using uMpumi and it's gonna end bad. But uMpumi doesn't wanna listen. Instead, ufuna ukuqhubeka yena move in, aphile no Gabriel and be dependent on Gabriel. And then as you can see, it's painful for Maruna because I can see guilt. Who guilty uWendy? At some point, she also feels bad ukuthi she left Umaruna, whereas she kind of promised ukuthi she will never leave Umaruna even if things go bad. But she made a choice, moving in Mpumi, and Mpumi is making these promises while Umaruna is feeling lonely. So moving on, Bafethu, Unisi no Ishmael on social media, and the headlines are saying ukuthi Bishop Hlophe, which is taking care of Ishmael, because remember well guys, Ishmael waxoshwa kaThabethe regarding him having to date uNobuhle. Why semthatha umfundisi osemhlalisa lapha emzini wakhe? They are reading headlines but umfundisi uyiscam, he's a crook, simply because Ishmael bamdlisile. Ishmael was the one who bought umfundisi uHlophe imoto. He's the one who bought umfundisi Hlophe imoto simply because he appreciates umfundisi uHlophe for everything he has done for him, for the support he has given him. Uyabona uzewasho ukuthi akayilutho yena ngaphandle kamfundisi. So now they're getting disappointed about social media for actually looking at these things and watching these things said about umfundisi no Ishmael. Ngalena kuBoykin no Mafitoto also think umfundisi uyiscam. Now they want to go and attack laphana kamfundisi simply because they want to protect Ishmael. They want to defend Ishmael regarding the situation that he's going through, having to buy umfundisi imoto. So they want to go to umfundisi, bamhlasele umfundisi and ask a few questions and get answers ukuthi why is umfundisi doing what he's doing, having to scam Ishmael and make Ishmael a fool. Yabo. So umfundisi yabona ama-headlines, he gets a call futhi nasebantweni regarding the situation, regarding the issue yokuthi he was being bought a car. You understand? Lapha uIshmael Nkosi yami uyayisola yena and he thinks it's his fault. He's blaming himself. Mfundisi is consoling him, telling him ukuthi he must not worry. It's not his fault. You understand? It's not his fault ukuthi yena wenzele umfundisi into right. Nanokuthi abantu bathini social media, it's not Ishmael's fault. You understand? But still umfundisi appreciates Ishmael and what he has done for him. You understand? Same way Ishmael appreciates umfundisi. So moving on, Gabriel the villain. Uhleli naye umuntu wakhe laphana. They are just chilling, yabona lapha usofeni. They speaking about life, they manifesting about the future. So Gabriel is also putting in his promises regarding buying Mpumi extra assets, yabona, just because Gabriel has got Mpumi apartment. Now Gabriel is promising Mpumi the world. Umthembisa umhlaba ukuthi uzoqhubeka amenzele okukhulu. Now it's gonna elevate to a mansion because he got an apartment. So uzothola imansion manje. You understand? And uzothola izinto eziningi to her name, yabo. And bazohlala ndawonye, continue building the empire. So Mpumi bafethu has taken out Wendy on a spa date. You understand? By a spa, as you can see, ba relaxile laphana. Mpumi is even promising Wendy, yabona. This episode was all about promising each other impilo engcono, because Mpumi is now convinced and is taken away. Yeah, I understand. He fell for the trap. Yeah, Gabriel ukuthi amthembisa yonke into, amnike yonke into ayifunayo. So uMpumi is doing the same kumama wakhe kuwena. Umthembisa the same thing Gabriel amtshele yona ukuthi they are not gonna go back to poverty. They are not gonna go back to poverty. They're gonna move into a new mansion, a big mansion, bahlale futhi bonke, and they're gonna be okay. You understand? Just as they are futhi manje laphana. And uMpumi is gonna do 10 times better than uMaruna has promised to win, because Maruna promised to win ukuthi she's gonna be okay, they're gonna be okay, her career is gonna elevate, bazoqhubeka behlali nje bade behleli yabona, and everything's gonna come back together. You understand? But ke uWendy on the other side made up her decision. Uyenza decision yakhe uWendy, wakhetha kuWendy ukuthi ayohlala noMpumi ngoba nje manje behleli esethenjiswa nayo impilo engcono. You understand? So continuing bafethu, uIshmael is worried about what he has seen in my headlines, obviously, which is written about him no Bishop Hlophe. So now uyafika kumngani wakhe uMafitsotso. Mafitsotso comes guns blazing laphana kwaHlophe. Azobuza uIshmael ukuthi, tell me that is not lies that we saw, that we heard by no Boyki. Tell me ukuthi you bought this car out of love. Umthengele ngothando umfundisi, hayi ngoba umthengele ngoba edlisile noma ekhohlisile nga something. So uIshmael uyasho ukuthi, how ungangimosheli izinto, don't mess things up for me, because yena he believes ukuthi umfundisi has done a lot for him and he appreciates umfundisi. So obviously the answer is uIshmael bought the car out of love for umfundisi. But uMafitsotso aren't even buying the story by no Boyki. They wanna attack simply because they wanna protect uIshmael. But uIshmael feels protected, you understand? Bishop Hlophe nomfazi wakhe step out of the house. When they step out of the house, bayothi hayibo, bamangele nabo ukuthi kwenzakalani uMafitsotso ezohlasela kanje. Ngoba kuyaqala nje uMafitsotso azohlasela umfundisi. Uyasho ukuthi uIshmael akaxoshela abantu labo. Ishmael must chase them away because umfundisi is gonna turn into something else abangayazi. You understand? So uyasho umfundisi ukuthi if you don't stop talking, if you don't stop threatening me, because uMafitsotso came to threaten umfundisi, he is gonna do something abengacabanga nokuthi uzoyenza. You understand? So uGabriel ke uyamazisa uMpumi ngemeeting yakhe nomzwakhe. Umzwakhe was the guy who tried to sleep with Maruna, I guess. So uyamtshela ukuthi they are gonna have a meeting. You understand? So Mpumi has no idea ukuthi meeting eyani. Mpumi has no idea ukuthi umzwakhe was the one who tried to rape usisi wakhe uMaruna. Mpumi has no idea, nothing, akasilutho. She has been used but she fell for the trap. You understand? Gabriel, he is pretending as if umzwakhe disrespected him. Umzwakhe disrespected i-revelation. You understand? I pretend to Gabriel. I don't even think Gabriel went to meet umzwakhe, because in this episode, I didn't see meeting Gabriel and umzwakhe. Unfortunately, I did not see it. And I do know that Gabriel can pretend. You understand? He can pretend and act as if umzwakhe did him dirty. But it was not the case. I understand. Umzwakhe and I made a deal long time ago. It's okay. Ukhona uMaruna. Umaruna, usisi Maruna, ukhona. You understand? We can make something out of usisi Maruna and make more money, guy. You understand? They made a deal. And Maruna akazilutho ukuthi bebekhuluma ngaye, but benza i-deal ngaye. So moving on ke bafethu, Nobuhle uyamvakashela Ishmael, because I also think she heard the same thing. Yabona also the same thing ngama headlines ukuthi Ishmael uthengele umfundisi imoto and they are backlashing uIshmael nomfundisi. So Ishmael wants to prove himself ukuthi he's innocent, yabona lapha ku-internet, but at the same time uNobuhle is advising Ishmael ukuthi angayi ku-internet. Ishmael mustn't go to the internet. You understand? Because it's gonna make things worse. The only thing Ishmael must do is for him to be an artist. Ayocula e-studio. Ayocula and show his talents like on a studio. But other than that, angenzi lutho, because it's gonna go worse. It's gonna make things worse. You understand? Having to publicly defend himself, it's gonna make things worse. So ahamba ayocula yena and be the artist that he is right now, because konke kumhambela kahle Ishmael, so he must stick to being that artist that he is. So moving on, this guy is continuously pretending Gabriel. Yaqhubeka pretend Gabriel. understand? So he comes back again to come and pretend to Mpumi azomtshela. This guy is actually low-key convincing Mpumi ukuthi avume. We understand that he's trying by all means to actually make Mpumi agree to go and sleep with Mzwakhe and make one night stand noMzwakhe and be Mzwakhe's one night stand, I can say. So Gabriel is telling Mpumi ukuthi Mzwakhe wants to have a one night stand with Mpumi. Mpumi is very shocked to hear that. So continuously bafethu uWendy goes back to her house. When ifika uyacothoza uWendy laphana. She is sneaky. Uyacothoza uWendy. Uma ifika lapha uWendy amabhodo awasetshenzisiwe. You understand? Meaning ukuthi Maruna hasn't cooked. Akadlile Maruna nothing. You understand? So she is shocked to actually see ukuthi hayibo amabhodo awakasetshenziswa. Amthole futhi Maruna lapha endlini. Maruna is just steadily looking at uWendy. Uyambuka uWendy and uWendy is very, very guilty, guys. Guilty uWendy, I can say. She's very guilty for the decision that she made. You understand? So uphathe ukudla. There were a few groceries that she had in hand. You understand? When she came to the house. So and whatsoever, and if the people who want to loan come to the house, Maruna, or they can call uWendy anytime. She's available to actually work with people. And uyambuza lapha ukuthi why engadlile and all of that. So yasho Maruna ukuthi she is not hungry. Right yena. You understand? Because it's basically because uWendy changed her mind yabo to go and live with Mpumi. That's basically and simply that, you understand? So uWendy she keeps running away from Maruna because she knows ukuthi Maruna might even attack her, and she knows ukuthi Maruna is upset at her. Maruna is actually upset ngayo, you understand? So she acts like she goes to the room and she forgot something or some sort. So moving on ke bafethu, nangu umama kaIshmael, she is hearing ukuthi uIshmael bought umfundisi ekhaya, nanokuthi uBishop Hlophe uhleli naye Ishmael, you understand, and living comfortably naye. So Ishmael as a token of appreciation, wena uthengele umfundisi. So now she's hearing all of this kwi-radio and she starts making a call. Afonele uLunga. I don't even know ukuthi uLunga. I think uLunga is uIshmael, you understand. Amfonele amtshela ukuthi akaphilile kahle ekhanda for what he has did, for the actions that he took regarding the car. You understand? So akaphilile kahle. What is he doing? We understand. I think ukuthi mama wakhe is kind of jealous, because yakhumbula back then umama kaIshmael never took care of Ishmael. Instead, umhambise laphana kuma social worker, yabona. Ishmael lived there his whole life without umamakhe. Now umamakhe is kind of jealous ukuthi Ishmael is doing bigger things for umfundisi. So moving on bafethu, Mpumi is still in disbelief. But uGabriel is low-key dumping Mpumi. Uyamtshela Mpumi ukuthi ayikho into esingayizamanga. You understand? Which means the legacy is going to start from scratch because uGabriel is going to lose everything regarding him not having to deliver to Mzwakhe. But we all know that uGabriel is lying. He's pretending kahle kahle. We are pretending uGabriel. You understand? He knows that he has it all. He is wealthy. He can do anything. He has power. About power revelation, and revelation, he can do anything with anyone. So when she must use her car while it lasts, because izohamba imoto kanye nayo apartment, you understand, and he's chasing Mpumi away to tell Mpumi ukuthi akagoduke. Yabo akagoduke. Mpumi is in disbelief mayeza leyo masela ukuthi akagoduke aye kubo abuyele kubo, because bazamile ayikho into abangayizamanga, bazamile bona. They try to have a solid relationship but it's failing, you understand, simply because uGabriel is failing to deliver for Mzwakhe, we understand. So Mpumi akahambe Mpumi, you understand. So Mpumi out of nowhere she took a turn and she agreed. She agreed to be Mzwakhe's one night stand. Ungambona uGabriel ujabule kanjani to hear those kind of words. Ungambona uGabriel ujabule kanjani ukuthi ezwe lawo mazwi lawo. Bafethu uGabriel is a villain. Gabriel is evil bafethu. You understand? So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe bafethu. Do all the good stuff. Yabona iGenesis kuyaqala iba mnandi kakhulu manje yabo. Thank you.